Hello, in this video I would like to talk about foreground and background processes in Linux. The difference between a foreground and background process is that foreground processes are attached to the console. The background processes are not attached. So let's make a quick example to demonstrate them. This program takes a single parameter that identifies the process. It reads one line from the console and displays it with the parameter until the user types Q. First, we make it executable with chmod. Let's run 4 jobs. The jobs are marked with the and symbol to make them background processes. We can type the command jobs to display the current jobs. These are jobs created by the current process. In order to make a background job a foreground job, we insert a % before the number. We can make it background with Ctrl Z. We can also use FG without parameters. In this case, it makes a background job a foreground job if it can find one.